welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Nyechi. Do well to subscribe and join the family. Here on my channel, I review skincare products. I talk about their ingredients, what they can do, what they contain. What you should definitely have in mind before purchasing any product, so you don't make any mistakes. So my channel, basically here I review skincare products. Alright, so on today's video I will be reviewing the Skin Doctor series, from the Skin Doctor Organic Glow to the Skin Doctor, everything Skin Doctor. Stick around if you know this product or you just want to make inquiries or know more about the product before purchasing. Stick around, because today I am going to talk about it exclusively. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So on today's video, I did say I will review the Skin Doctor series, but before I talk about any product on their list, I'm going to first tell you something. This is supposed to come as a disclaimer. Listen, the way our skin responds to product is very different. You just have to have that in mind. And then if you're using any skincare product and you don't get the results you want, please consider discontinuing the product. Stop for a while and try something else. Just have in mind that the way my skin reacts to product is going to be different from the way your skin reacts to product. It's just something you have to understand. Alright, so let's head into the review for today. Now, the Skin Doctor Gluta Glow Lotion, I'm going to leave a picture of the product above or somewhere on the screen. This product is amazing because it is supposed to lighten your skin. It may give you 3 shades, it may get your skin up to 3 shades lighter. That is just what you have to have in mind. The Skin Doctor Glitter Glow may give you 3 shades lighter, but a lot of people, some people may have complained of green veins. That is why if you're applying the product, try not to apply the product here. Try to apply your skincare products like this, just like this, and be careful. If you notice the fact that it is thinning your skin, thereby making your skin more visible to green veins, like your green veins are literally showing, because it means that it has lightened your skin to the extent that it's kind of like it has thinned your skin a little bit. Please discontinue the product and start rebuilding your skin with good moisturizers that contain ceramides and peptides, okay? Something like CeraVe. But otherwise, the product is nice. For some people, it gave them a very beautiful complexion. They got at least 3 shades lighter. But however, if you notice any problem, like I always say, discontinue and start rebuilding your skin again. Alright, so the next product on the range is the Skin Doctor Gold. This is an amazing product. This is kind of like a product that maintains your complexion if you're already light skin. It doesn't really work like Gluta Glow Lotion, the Skin Doctor Gluta Glow, which kind of like does the lightening faster. This one balances and maintains, brightens your skin over time, gently does it. But some people's skin may be fast in reaction. Some people may see results within 3 days or 4 days or even 1 week. In general, Skin Doctor Gold is very nice in maintaining your skin. So if you're looking for a product that will maintain your skin, consider trying the Skin Doctor Gold product or skincare cream. All these products contain SPF 30 and they are also a face and body lotion. But I always say, because our face is sensitive and our face faces the sun most of the time, and based on my experience and the things my skin has had to battle with, I would advise that you get a face cream for your skincare concern and use the Skin Doctor lotions only on your body from head to neck. But otherwise, if you insist on using the product on your face, that is not a problem. You will still get your results. But if you need my candid advice, I'm always going to give you guys my candid advice, okay? Product on our list is the Skin Doctor Glow Lotion. This is amazing. This is one product that I value and cherish so much because it contains just organic ingredients, organic oils, everything mostly natural. So what does this product actually do for you? Skin Doctor Organic Glow firms your skin, gently lightens the skin, works on acne and pigmentation. And you should also have in mind that some of these products contain witch hazel in them. Mostly, I think it's like a signature ingredient in the Skin Doctor range or brand, witch hazel. And witch hazel is very nice for the skin also. Witch hazel is a natural ingredient and it's very good for the skin. Alright, so the Skin Doctor Organic Glow softens the skin, give your skin this moisturizing effect or boost because it contains natural ingredients in it, and then at the same time it works or targets on pigmentation issues on your body, dark spots, even pimples. It may help minimize the way pimple occurs or comes up on your face. But still have in mind that if you are treating pimple, you need a skincare routine that targets the treatment of pimple. The Skin Doctor Organic Glow is just not enough to work on your pimples. But otherwise, if you've been using it and you've been getting the 100% effect of a pimple clearing, or your pimples have been clearing, keep on using it. That's not a problem. But on my next video, I'll be talking about the basic beginner friendly skincare routine. So do make sure to subscribe if you haven't on my channel, so you wouldn't miss any of these juicy tips and tricks I have for you guys when it comes to skincare and lots more. Ingredients of this amazing product, which is the Skin Doctor Organic Glow: it contains argan oil, it contains kiwi extract, it contains vitamin C, which is ascorbic acid, and then it contains moringa. Amazing ingredients for moisturizing your skin. Alright, so I'm sure you guys must have heard about the Skin Doctor Carol Glow Lotion. Just like the Skin Doctor Gold Lotion, this is fantastic and also good enough for your skin. Dr. Carol Glow moisturizes, lightens your skin, and then among all the ingredients, it has kojic acid. And kojic acid is a depigmenting ingredient, something that works on reducing the production of melanin and helping to bring your skin into a very fantastic condition over time. Finally, I'm going to talk about the Skin Doctor Egyptian Glow Lotion. Now, if you're a caramel skin person or you're a chocolate skin person, I would definitely suggest you try out this particular product and see how it works for your skin. This product for me is specifically should be used by caramel skin type or chocolate skin type. Yes, except you want to add in additives like the Skin Doctor lightening oils or brightening oils. You want to mix the Skin Doctor oils in it, and that is when you get just the toning effect on the product. Alright, okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any questions concerning the Skin Doctor product that I just talked about, please leave it on the comment section, and do well to subscribe to this channel so you will not miss any of my future uploads when it comes to skincare, self-care, and a whole lot more that this channel has got to offer in time to come. Okay, alright, so once again, you have to understand that skincare is a journey, it's a process, it's like self-care. Sometimes, some months we may just not get it right with our skin, and then the other months we may get it right too. So let's all take it a step at a time. Don't rush it, don't be jealous of other people's results. Understand that sometimes our skin just has a mind of its own, so you have to work with the way your skin is reacting and be patient with it, and hopefully with consistency you get amazing results. Okay, I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to follow me on my social media handles, my Facebook page, my Instagram page. Let's build the community, let's grow it there. It's very important, super vital. I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget that I love you. Once again, my name is Nyechi, Chiemela. I love you and stay blessed.